In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting an error when trying to play Roblox which says that your Windows system is too outdated with this code of KB4534310. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to fix this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your desktop and you want to hold down the Windows key and press R on your keyboard. Into the box here, you want to go ahead and type the following, which is the % symbol followed by temp, and then another % symbol, and then hit enter. So this is going to bring up a window like this with all these different folders. Now what you want to do from here is locate the Roblox folder and just go ahead and press delete to delete this folder from your temporary files. Once that's done, go ahead and try and play Roblox and that should hopefully fix the issue. Now if it doesn't fix the issue, there's actually something else you can try, and what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and then come down and click onto settings. Next, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto privacy and security. And then from here, if you look a bit down the page, you're going to see this one which says cookies and other site data. So what you want to do is click onto this next. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you get to this option which says see all site data and permissions. Go ahead and click onto that. And at the very top, you're going to see a search box. So what you want to do is click onto this and go ahead and type Roblox. And you can see we got roblox.com here. Now what you want to do is click onto this little dustbin, this trash can next to it to delete the data from here. Go ahead and click clear. And that's going to clear that data. So what you want to do after this is go ahead and restart your PC. Once you've done that, go ahead and load up Roblox, and this should now enable you to play without experiencing that error. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.